Hey guys, this is part 2 of the Aweber blog post for social media. And here's what I wanted to show you. We left off with this little link right here. Whoop. This one right here. If you click on this link, this is what it'll show. This link will take you to all your past blog posts, broadcasts, and it'll bring your reader back to your Aweber so that they can subscribe by email like it says here, or they can subscribe via a feed. And what that means for you is you gain people who are interested in whatever you're talking about. So that's why that link's important. So here is the deal. Typically, sometimes I'll use the Twitter and Facebook here, and you can see I got it set up. That's what it'll look like, so that you can see. I'm going to use my fan page. So when I post something out, and remember, your blog post is going here. Oop. Your blog post is going to go here, so whatever you wrote about is going to go here. Your title and your social media down here will reference, and as you can see, I just put how to post other social media, so it'll show you what it's going to look like. And that link right there, what you want to do is copy it. So I use Control-C, and I come over here to Ping FM. It's a free service. There's a bunch of other ones out there that you can use. You paste that link in here. How to post to other social media. Whatever your blog post is here, that's what you're going to put here. You know, you want to get the readers, you want to get the readers information and attention, so that they can not information, but you want to get the readers attention when you post it out in social media. But typically, why that link right here is important, as I said, it brings the reader back to here, which will enable them to sign up so they get more of your awesome content. But as you can see, you can only go with Twitter and Facebook right now in Aweber. So whatever one you use in Aweber, or you don't have to use them at all, you can come over here and post out to your other social media. I like to post out to my LinkedIn. You can see here some of the ones I have set up. You can set up whatever ones you want and more, or if you have more, or a specific one that you want to send to, you can send to that one as well. And here is where you do it. I'm not suggesting Ping FM. There's Social Loop. There's a whole slew of them out there. Pick whatever one your favorite one is and go with it. I will tell you, Ping FM doesn't let you schedule your posts, so you're it happens as soon as you hit ping it. With Aweber, if you see in the first video, you can schedule it. Anyway, this is where you want to put that link. So when you're posting out to your other social media, they click on that link and it comes right back to this page. You know, and let's assume this was your blog post. They can read your blog post, they can get all the information, and then they can subscribe by feed, or they can subscribe by email. That's what that little link's about. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It accomplishes two things. Basically, one, that, you know, sometimes, like, I'll post instead of posting it on my blog, I'll just send out this email that I want people to, you know, if it's something that I heard that, you know, man, that's really cool, you know, here's how this can help other people, and I'll just send this out as a blast, and I won't even put it on my blog because it's just a quick thought. So I come down here, I know I can only send it out to Twitter and Facebook, so I immediately come over here to Ping, and I blast it out to the rest of my social media, and I know everybody will get it. It'll drive them back to here, which means if they like what they see, they subscribe here, and I know they're going to get all the rest of my information. So hope that makes sense, and if you have any questions, you will find out how to get a hold of me on my website. So have fun. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.